In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members to a Notion workspace, whether you're collaborating with a team or simply organizing a project with a few friends. Inviting members to your Notion workspace is an essential skill. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, guiding you through each step in a simple and straightforward manner. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the area of Notion where you manage your workspace settings. This location is commonly known as Settings and Members. Once you're logged into your Notion account, look towards the upper left of your screen. Here, you'll see a sidebar where Settings and Members is prominently displayed. Clicking this will open up a variety of options specifically related to your workspace. Now that you're in the settings, the next step is to direct your attention to the Members tab. On the left-hand side, within the Settings and Members section, you'll find a menu that lists different customizable options for your workspace. Among these, click on Members. By selecting it, you're essentially accessing the control panel for managing who has access to collaborate with you on Notion. Once you're in the Members section, you'll see an interface that allows you to invite new people to join your workspace. All you need is the email address of the person you wish to invite. There's a prompt within this section where you will input the email. It's important to make sure you're using the correct email associated with the person's Notion account, or the email they prefer for receiving invites. This ensures your invitation reaches the intended recipient without any confusion or delay. After entering the correct email, you're almost at the finish line. The next action is to hit the Send Invite button. This step is crucial as it's what actually dispatches your invitation to the specified email address. Notion will handle the rest, sending an email invitation to the person you've selected. They'll receive a notification to join your workspace, and with a simple click, they will be part of your team, ready to contribute and collaborate on your projects. Remember, by inviting members, you're allowing other people to view and, depending on the permissions you set, edit the content within your workspace. Make sure to review and adjust your permission settings if necessary to ensure your workspace operates smoothly and securely. Inviting members to your Notion workspace is an easy yet powerful way to expand your collaborative efforts, whether it's for professional projects or personal planning. With these steps, you're well equipped to share your ideas with colleagues, friends, or anyone you choose to work alongside in Notion.